Wait, don't scroll. This cheesecake is made without oven and it's crazy creamy. Hello, welcome to the pink pan. For making this recipe, first take a grinder jar and add 450 gram of cream cheese, 100 gram of yogurt, 120 gram of condensed milk. Add some powdered sugar if required, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 15 grams of cornflour. Grind everything nicely until smooth and creamy. Full recipe details is mentioned in the description. You can go and check out the description. Now take a kadhai, add some salt and preheat for 15 minutes on medium flame. Pour the cheesecake batter into a container and place it inside the kadhai and bake it for 45 minutes. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, then your cheesecake is ready. For serving, spread some chocolate and milk mat. Decorate with fresh strawberry and powdered sugar. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.